Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Now I have a router, this 5G Huawei router. This model number H112, model number is H122-373, and this router is do not power on. So when I plug, it's do not working. And now I will show you a tricks how can you fix this router. So sometimes this router getting short inside and not working, so you need a 12-volt battery or 9-volt battery. You can find like this battery is 7 ampere this battery. So I have a adapter wire like this, so I plugging in the router. Okay, I plugging in the router and just one shot like this, one shot you have to do. Okay, if have inside the short problem, it will be broken and your router will be work perfectly. So just only one shot. After that you will plug the charging jack and keep it for few seconds, and you will see the magic. Your router will be work perfectly. So you can see guys, now the router is working, I hope. Okay, just wait and see. Here is the light is on, so just wait. Sometime inside the capacitor is getting short, and you can see now his router is working perfectly. So this way you can fix your router and any device router like this 12-volt or 9-volt router you can fix with the external battery. You need a battery like this size or this size, any battery 12-volt. If your router is 9-volt, just need a 9-volt battery. So this direct battery can broke the short inside. Okay, now you can see the router is working and Wi-Fi is okay. Here is no SIM card, that's why no signal for the SIM card. So this is Huawei router, is Saudi Arabia, is model number is Zen. Can find the international router. If you have problem like this, no power one, you just make the direct with battery connection, DC volt, 12-volt battery, plus and plus, negative negative, positive positive, and put the jack inside. Or you can cut your charger from here, just open the wire and put in the battery direct in the car battery or any battery, and just click and see the broken is damaged, and then after that working the router. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Thank you, have a nice day.